guys, it's Yazi Carter back with another video. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished these knotless box braids. I already have it in a hairstyle, but I'm going to be showing you how I accomplished these that are very, very long, as you've seen in the thumbnail. If I have I can record a video showing how long they are at the end, maybe, or we could just insert it. I don't know. I'll show you guys how long they are at some point. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this. So if you want to see how to do these on yourself, make sure you keep watching, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how I am going to be doing this process. So I already did some because, you know, why not? We're trying to get done here. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do them. You guys already see what they look like and stuff. So at the end result, this is for my edges. So make sure you pull your edges out before you braid, or it's gonna be hard to get them out. I'm going to be using Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel Extra Hold. A lot of people use Shine and Jam, but they didn't have any in stock, and this is similar, so I'm just using this. It's the same price. Yeah. I'm just gonna put that on my hair. My hair is completely dry. It only has curl pattern because I put gel in it when I parted it. So I took the rubber band out. If you don't watch my prep video, make sure you go watch that. My lips are so dry right now. But yeah, so what you're gonna do first is take the hair in 3 sections like a normal braid, and then you're gonna braid it through once. Then you're gonna grab it. Oops. Ring light fell. So you're gonna grab a piece of extension hair. Just make sure it's stretched. You're gonna always put it behind the hair you're holding, and then you're gonna braid that over. Hold your hair right here. Take another extension piece, and again you want to put it behind. And you're gonna braid that. And then you're gonna add another one. This one's kind of thick, but take some of that hair off. So we're gonna add another one now. And as you see, it like starts small and then it gets bigger. And you're just gonna braid it down. Which I'm gonna bring you guys closer because I am gonna be looking in the mirror, which is the mirror below. We're having technical difficulties here. What's going on? Why won't it lock in place? Okay, so I'm gonna be looking in the mirror and you guys are just gonna see me braiding it down. It's a lot of hair, so that's why it's kind of chunky, but it's fine. It's not too bad. And you can see it doesn't hurt to like pull your natural hair up or anything like box braids, so that's why I prefer knotless. Plus, I can't really grip my own hair to do regular box braids, so that just ain't an option for me. I'm pulling out the tangles at the end. Hang on. Sorry. So then when you get to like the ending of your natural hair, you're gonna take either gel or edge control, and then you're just gonna swipe it down to lock your natural hair in place so you get less flyaways in the braid. Braid it and then do the same. Like right here, you see where it's lifting? Put some gel or edge control. And then do the same thing on every side. Sorry if I'm breathing heavy. It's like really hot when the ring light's on. So then you're just gonna keep braiding down, and then these are like really long. They're like 60 inches long. So I'm gonna show you how I braid when they're like extra extended. Oh, also I forgot to tell you guys, I under braid, which is like this. To over braid is like going over top. Your hair turns out so much better if you under braid. Just a tip. If you don't know the difference, I don't really know how to explain it because I'm not a professional, so you're probably gonna have to look it up. Sorry, but yeah. So we're just gonna continue braiding down. Long process. And a lot of people, when they're doing their hair, they like braid halfway and then stop and just continue doing that and then just braid the ends. But I can't do that because once I stop, I start braiding inconsistently and it'll make like humps in the braid, and that's not cute. So we're not gonna do that. So as you can see, we got a lot more to go. So what I do, it's kind of nasty, but it's fine. It's my own hair. You put the hair in your mouth or around your neck if you don't want to do that, but this is just easier. And braid down. Wash in your mouth. And then when you get further, move it more up. Keep braiding. More tangles. I'll move it up one more. And then when you're done, you're gonna leave your hair just sit at the end until it's time to hot water dip. So yeah, that is pretty much the end process. That's what it looks like. This hair is not hot water dip. So what I do, instead of burning the ends, because I don't really like how that looks on these braids, I use some edge control and I just straighten it out. And it sticks like that the whole time I'm wearing the braids. It's just all it is. No hot water dip. Because this hair is like super cheap. $1. Not hair that I would recommend, but it works for me and that's good. Professional use, no, absolutely not. But as long as it works for me, that's all that matters, because that's the only person's hair that I do. So this is what my hair looks like so far. We're getting there, and then I just have to do my edges. But I will see you guys either when I'm halfway done or when I'm completely done. So peace for now. Okay guys, so this is the finished look as you've seen before. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it, even though it was kind of stressful. Braiding or doing my hair in general is always kind of stressful for me because I just want to be done, and it really seems like I get an attitude, but I promise I don't. It's just what I do because I'm ready to be done. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share if you would like to share with your friends, family, whatever. And Also, comment down below if you've made it this far in the video. Comment down below the monkey with the covering eyes emoji. That's the first thing that comes to my head. So comment down below if you made it this far in the video. And yeah, I will see you guys the next time I post new videos every Thursday and Sunday. Peace.